Hi guys, and welcome back to my video. In today's video I want to talk about 5 most dangerous indoor plants for pets, and this topic has been on my to-do list for quite a long time now, but now I actually have a very good reason for recording this video. So we have some news. We are actually getting ourselves a new puppy. We will receive him next week, and it's a Bernese Mountain Dog. So he's only about 3.5 months old now, but he already looks like a small bear. So really, we are really looking forward to his arrival. And although we already have a pet at home, we have a cat named Biggie, which I'm sure most of you already know from my videos. He isn't really bothered too much with the plants inside or outside of the house, except for the odd grass outside, which he needs for his digestion, and also our Kentia palm, which actually is quite safe for pets. I'm not really worried about the rest of the plants when it comes to him, because actually he doesn't try to, bite or chew on it, because to be perfectly honest, they kind of innately know which plants are good or not for them. So enough of me talking, let's just go straight into the 5 most dangerous indoor plants for pets. Number 1 is the pencil cactus, or the Euphorbia tyrocali in the Latin name. And this is actually one of the most dangerous, most poisonous indoor plants there is on the market. The toxic part is actually the sap, and it is toxic to pets and also to humans. So this plant's milky sap is extremely toxic and dangerous. When you come into contact, it can cause redness, burning sensation, blisters. So it is extremely irritating to the skin, and also for contact with your eyes, it can also cause blindness. And if this plant or just its sap is ingested, it can cause a burning sensation or redness in your mouth, in your tongue, and also vomiting. So when you are handling this plant, please make sure you use gloves and just be extremely careful. And if you have it exposed and in reach of your pet, please make sure you put it away. So still keep it, but put it out of reach so you do not cause any troubles for yourself or for your pets. And plant number 2 is Pothos, or the devil's ivy. And again, this one is quite dangerous and toxic to all of us. So as humans, just as much as the pets. And the most dangerous parts of this plant is actually the whole plant. So the leaves, the stems, the roots as well. So keep it out of the reach. Again, it can cause severe burning sensation. When ingested, obviously it can cause nausea and vomiting, and the same for your skin. And the same again for your mouth, for tongue, and for your stomach in general. And especially for cats and dogs, if ingested, it can cause difficulty swallowing, again vomiting, and also drooling. I know there are so many benefits to this plant because it is low maintenance, it trails and hangs very easily, so you can train it up the wall to cover the wall and create yourself a little living wall inside of your house. And also it tolerates lower light conditions. So again, if you have it in your house, or if you are planning on getting yourself this plant, be very careful and put it out of the reach. A dangerous indoor plant for pets number 3 is peace lily, or the spathiphyllum. So again, just like with the previous ones, it is toxic and dangerous to humans, to cats, and to dogs. Again, all of the parts of the plant are dangerous and toxic. So if you ingest it, you will get stomach ache and vomiting. And you also have to be quite careful with your skin for the irritation. I know it's really bad that all these lovely plants and plants that we are used to and are quite low maintenance are getting such a bad reputation for their toxicity, because plants like peace lily is very well known for clearing the air in the indoor spaces. So it purifies the air and also helps to remove benzene, carbon monoxide, and also formaldehyde from our living environment. Plant number 4 on this list is aloe vera. And aloe vera is very well known for its medicinal properties and uses, especially for its uses for skin condition reliefs. So this plant, again, the whole plant is dangerous. So the topical use of aloe vera is not really considered a problem or being toxic if it's used in small amounts. Obviously, if you use it a lot, and if you put a lot on your skin in one go, you might get a reaction. So it's better to prevent it and obviously just start small with smaller amounts. But again, when ingested, it causes stomach aches, it can cause diarrhea and also vomiting. So again, be very, very careful. And I have to say, I do have quite a lot of aloe vera plants spread around the whole flat, so I will have to kind of dog proof and move it higher out of the reach, where the dog won't be able to chew on it and or even grab it, because he's going to be quite a big dog. So standing up on his 2 back legs, I guess he will reach quite high, so I will really have to be careful. And the dangerous indoor plant number 5 is the jade plant, or the money plant as it's also called, or Crassula ovata in its Latin name. So this plant is not really toxic for humans, but it's toxic for our dogs and cats. Again, ingesting it causes vomiting. It can also cause depression in cats and dogs, and also severe incoordination. It is a bit difficult with this plant because we don't actually know what part of the plant is the most dangerous. So just be preventful and again, out of the reach. And just like with the aloe vera plant, the jade plant contradictory has quite a lot of benefits, whether it is its air purifying benefits, or according to Feng Shui, the prosperity benefits as well. Right guys, so these were the 5 most dangerous indoor plants for your pets. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I also hope that you learned something. And if you do have pets, then just please be very careful. And if you do have any of these plants or any other dangerous plants, because there is more than these 5, please just be very vigilant and very careful, and rather put them out of the reach to prevent any issues in the future. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also like this video, and I will see you in the next one.